Living in Miami comes with its fair share of sun, storms, and salty sea air. While your windows help protect your home from the elements, they don't last forever. Aging or damaged windows can increase energy bills, reduce comfort, and compromise your safety, making it essential to recognize the signs it's time for a replacement. Here are the top indicators Miami homeowners should watch for when considering new windows. Persistent drafts and rising energy bills. If you're feeling a breeze indoors when the windows are shut, it's a red flag. Miami's hot and humid climate makes energy efficiency a top priority, and drafty windows force your air conditioner to work overtime. Rising energy costs often indicate poor insulation caused by worn-out seals, gaps, or single-pane glass. Replacing your windows with modern, energy-efficient options like double or triple-pane models with low-E coatings can drastically cut cooling costs. Visible damage or warping. Cracked glass, rotting frames, and warping are not just cosmetic issues. They're serious structural concerns. Miami's frequent rainstorms and high humidity can cause wooden window frames to swell, rot, or grow mold. Salt air near the coast can also corrode older aluminum frames. Damaged windows are harder to open or close and may fail completely in extreme weather. If you notice warping or soft spots in the frame, it's time to replace them before further deterioration occurs. Condensation between glass panes. Double and triple pane windows are designed with insulating gas sealed between the layers. If you see condensation or fogging inside the panes, it means the seal has failed and moisture has seeped in. This compromises insulation and energy efficiency. In Miami's humid conditions, these failed seals can also encourage mold growth. Unfortunately, once the seal is broken, the entire window must typically be replaced. Excessive outside noise. Do you hear every passing car, barking dog, or loud neighbor more than you should? Older windows or single-pane glass do little to block out sound. If noise pollution is interrupting your home's peace and quiet, modern insulated windows with laminated glass or sound-dampening technology can make a noticeable difference. Especially in busy Miami neighborhoods, noise-reducing windows can significantly improve your quality of life. Hard-to-open windows or stuck frame windows that are difficult to open or close are more than an annoyance. They can be a safety hazard. In Miami, where hurricane preparedness is key, your windows need to operate smoothly for emergency ventilation or quick evacuation. Warped frames, rusted tracks, or painted shut sashes are all signs the mechanism has outlived its usefulness. Modern windows open and lock easily while offering better security and storm resistance. Outdated appearance or style curb appeal matters, especially in a city as vibrant as Miami. If your windows look worn, faded, or clash with recent home updates, they may be detracting from your property value. Contemporary window styles not only look better but come in a range of frame materials and finishes that can withstand Miami's climate while elevating your home's visual appeal. This is particularly important if you're considering selling in the near future. Hurricane vulnerability. Miami is in a high-risk hurricane zone, and outdated windows may not meet modern storm safety codes. If your current windows lack impact-resistant glass or hurricane shutters, they leave your home vulnerable to wind damage and flying debris. Replacing them with hurricane-rated windows can provide peace of mind and possibly lower your insurance premiums. Conclusion: your windows play a vital role in keeping your Miami home energy efficient, safe, and beautiful. If you've noticed any of these signs, drafts, damage, noise, or difficulty operating, it's likely time to consider a replacement. Upgrading your windows is an investment that pays off in comfort, aesthetics, and long-term savings. Don't wait until the next storm rolls in. Get ahead of the game and make your home window secure today.